Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another AutoCAD video. As in the previous video we have already discussed about point command, and now in today's video we are going to actually execute a very important command, which is block command. So first of all, as I always say that specify your units and limits. As I have already specified my units and limits, and now I am going to start with it. And first of all, you have to draw a random object to create actually a block. So I am going with the rectangle from here, and you can also enter REC, which is short command for rectangle. And now he is asking to specify the corner point and another corner point like that. For example, this is our rectangle, and now we want to convert this rectangle into a block reference. So first of all, what we're gonna do is to select that rectangle, and whenever you select an object in AutoCAD, this kind of blue theme will appear, as you can see here. And now just click on B, enter. B actually is a shortcut for block, and as I have already selected my object, I will click on B, enter, press B and enter. And now actually what he is asking to specify the name of your block. I am just going with block 6. And you don't do with any kind of this detail, and just specify one thing, that you have selected inches from here. If you don't select inches from here, when you will click enter your drawing, this drawing will be unitless. When you are actually working in unitless and just click on enter, this drawing will be actually disappear. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click enter, and now this actually, when we select this, as you can see, this actually is showing that this is our block. So I have already made a block, and now I want to insert this block anywhere else. So I am just pressing I and enter. This is actually an insert option. I'm just pressing enter. Now actually see this is like our block 6 here, and now if I drag it and drop it over here and zoom out a little bit, as you can see that this block has already been inserted here. Now another important advantage of block, if you want to edit in this block, the addition will this block will be edited automatically. So I am just starting editing on this block. For example, I will just click BE enter. This is actually a block editor tab. For example, I want to, as you can see here, my cursor is moving here. This is actually where I want to do editing, block 6. Okay. And now if you click on BE enter, and this kind of tab will appear as a separate. As you can see, this is actually a block editor. As you can see here, there are many kind of options, and if I want to do an addition like this, from here to here, I'm drawing a line, enter. And I am just selecting this and moving this side like that. And now if I press close block editor, it is actually saying that you want to save your changes to block 6 or not. I'm just saying that I want to save my addition. Now I am closing the block editor and saving my edits, and you can see this. Actually, we have edited this block, this original source file, and you can see this has already been edited, as you can see. So this is the main advantage of block command. And in drawing, you actually put your drawing into block command. For example, if you make a complete 10 marla house plan or anything else, you will make a block of that and save it. So this is that for block command. And if I want to draw anything else like that, I can also convert it into block and just click on enter. And if I want to click on block, select the whole object, B, enter, and specify a random name. For example, just clicking that, and actually this has been converted into a block. And now you can insert it anywhere, you can edit it, and these kind of things. And actually now I am going to tell you another important things. For AutoCAD, there are many kind of objects which are already actually in block or internet. For example, if you go here and open a new tab, you can just click on block enter. actually if you view here that the bottom, drag it a little bit, and you can see here there are many kind of blocks of furniture, bathroom blocks, dining tables and treetops, as you can see. So now just let's download that kind of block. I'm just downloading this block. So I will just click on here and just download as a DWG. This task has been downloaded, as you can see here. Now I'm going to downloads. As you can see here, this task has already been here. Now I am just going to open that file. Now this will be open in a separate tab. As you can see here, by default there are different kind of furniture and everything on internet which is actually in blocks. As you can click here, these are actually blocks, you can explode it, and actually these are not in block format, but these are different kind of block which are already present in our internet. Now if I select all of these objects, this is actually creating a little bit lagging. I'm actually selecting this one object and I'm just clicking on B, enter. I'm just okay with that. Now actually when you select it, as you can see that this is actually already been converted into block, and you can make several copies of it. For example, if you select it and enter CO, now you can make many kind of copies, as you can see. So this is basically an advantage of our block command. So actually I think that I have covered the topic, and that's it for today's video, and thank you.